Hey guys, what's up? I've been getting a lot of questions about when someone sends me a house, they ask what the down payment is. And a lot of people think you have to have 20% down. That's not true at all. There's a million options out there, not literally, but there's a lot of options. And I'm sitting down today with Clay Smith. He is a loan officer I've done a good bit of business with. I send him to all my trusted clients. And this is gonna be a really good video explaining all your different options, and just to show you that it may be a lot more inexpensive than you think to get into a house. So let's get into it. What's up guys, Blake Baker here, RE/MAX 5-Star Realty in Pasadena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a common question I get all the time whenever people are looking at houses and they want to know what is the down payment. So I brought in an expert here. This is Clay Smith, and he is a loan officer I work with a lot. And why don't you just introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, I'm Clay Smith. Appreciate you having me. I'm with Cross Country Mortgage. I've been doing loans in this area for about the past 20 years. So we do lots of business in the area and work with a lot of great agents like Blake.
Well, I appreciate that. So why don't we talk about the different types of loans that are out there for people? The down payment is gonna go, there's plenty of options on down payments, and the different types of loans are going to have all different down payments. So why don't you just explain that?
Sure. So there's basically 3 loan products out there available to somebody. There's a conventional loan, there's an FHA loan, and there's a VA loan, right? Typically we're looking at a conventional or FHA loan for somebody, unless you're an eligible vet, which we do all the time, but there's less people are going to qualify for those unless they were in the military. On the conventional loan, big misconception out there is you got to have 20% down to buy a house. I hear it all the time, right?
Yep.
Usually somebody that's bought a house one time in their life tells somebody that you got to have 20% down to buy a house, which is completely false. So come to experts, let them tell you that do this every day, what you're really looking at, and come talk to us to get the scoop on what it really takes to buy a house, right? So conventional loans you can do as little as 3% down if you're a first-time home buyer. If you're not a first-time home buyer, it's going to be 5% down. Then on a FHA loan for any buyer, it's going to be a 3.5% down payment.
Yep.
And then a VA loan is going to be 100% financing, 0 down.
Right.
The difference in the loan products we typically look at, the FHA loans, the government-backed loan, it's going to have a little bit looser guidelines all the way around. You can have lower credit scores, you can have higher debt ratios, you can have recent credit events like bankruptcy or foreclosures and still qualify for an FHA loan over a conventional loan. The main thing I'm looking at typically between the 2 products, if you're good all across the board on all the guidelines, is credit score. FHA loans are going to be the government-backed loan, kind of everybody gets the same deal, whereas conventional loans are much more heavily weighted in your credit score. So higher credit scores is typically going to lend to a conventional loan, or if you got the lower scores or any other issues on the loan, then we're looking at the FHA loan.
Okay. And why don't you tell everybody, why would it be a good time to not wait and just go ahead and buy right now?
The main thing is, don't be afraid to come start the process and learn the numbers first, right? So
right.
Be educated and know kind of what you're getting yourself into. That's really, you need the numbers to make an educated decision on whether buying is good for you or not, right? Yep. That's the first step. It's 100% free to come get a pre-approval done.
Yep.
You'll know, if not now, like what's your game plan? What's your roadmap to get to where you want to be if it's not now, right?
Yep.
Why it's really good right now to buy, I mean, rates are historically low. We're in the mid 3s to upper 3s on interest rates, which is amazing. So your buying power is fantastic right now. I mean, you're never going to get a lower rate than that. We've never seen lower rates. With the economy continuing to improve, I don't know how long that's going to stick around. The longer you wait, the bigger risk you have in having a higher rate and a higher payment. The other thing is the market is continuing to appreciate. So the longer you wait in the summer, the more competition there is for homes. The more competition does what? Drives up prices. Yep. So you're gonna have the most affordability you're gonna find right now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you heard it from him, the professional. There's plenty of options. If you have any questions, leave a comment or hit me on the messenger. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Blake Baker Real Estate, and that's going to wrap it up.
Appreciate you having me.
Thank you.
All right.
So there you have it. Now's a good time to take action. The longer you wait, interest rates could go up. They're historically low. Usually they're 6 to 8% over time. Right now they're around 4. So if you're not ready right now, at least you now know your options. And if you want to talk with Clay, let me know. I can get you in contact with him. And even if you're not ready right this second, you'll have a game plan put together on how to get your credit score where it needs to be, get your debt down, and get you into a home. Thank you so much for following my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.